I always get asked, how do you remove dog hair out of Velcro? And you can see this is a little guy proves he has Chihuahua hair, which I think is some of the most impossible stuff to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the knife, and you can lay it down flat. Okay, I'll take it, I'll usually go like this. And I'm going to just start by taking the flat of the knife and just working it across the Velcro, just like that. So what happens is it actually digs that really tough short guard hairs out. And for those of you people that have dogs with long hair, you'll find that the long hair can come out. It's those short guard hairs that get stuck right down in the Velcro. And you can see that I'm just taking the knife and moving it across. Don't come across like that. Don't saw any of those things. It's just flat across the Velcro, just like that. And you can see it's going to just work right up. And there you have it. That's how you get the easiest way to get the dog hair out of the Velcro.